कि खूबोर का बातें सी टीवी लवन राशपी तक Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
The South Asian Fellowship of Golfing Rotarians ringkat ke Jingïalehkai bak Rotary Club of Orchid City kin Pynlong ke Jingïalehkai tiat golf ke Arsngi hamaran golfling ke Shillong ha kasau bat santri uyayong arajar pusau. U General Secretary jeng South Asian Fellowship of Golfing Rotarians u Subhashish Chatterjee ha ke jingkran bikla pathai ku boru loong bak jing thmu Pynlong ke Jingïalehkai golf ke long banwan ra ek mensi Jingïalehkai sports bat ben pau perthai ke jela Meghalaya ha ke insan Jingïalehkai golf de ke jing shimbinta Jingïalehkai golf nakiri jong ke doba Asia bashathi.
Cause here, myself, past governor, Rotarian Subhashish Chatterjee, from district 3240, let me clarify. Rotary has a geographical area denoted as district. And 3240 is consisting of entire northeast 7 states, Sikkim and part of Bengal. So that's Rotary District 3240. You can see there also 3240 rated. So 3240 is doing a golf tournament every year. And we have a title of this tournament is Win for Cause. Because we from this tournament raise some fund and that fund goes for a benevolent project. And we focus on AIM polio. Perhaps you are aware that Rotary's commitment to eradicate polio from the world. And in 1985, Rotary thought of eradicating polio from the world, and till now removed polio from world from 106 clubs. Unfortunately, we are still not 100% reached to our goal because two countries, our neighboring countries, Pakistan and Afghanistan, are still having polio cases. But Rotary's commitment, not only for India, because India is polio free for last 10 years, but Rotary's commitment for entire world. So Rotarians are committed to support this cause, and this tournament is for that cause only. Every year we have this tournament in different cities of 3 to 4, as I said in the geographical area. So this year we have chosen Shillong to have this tournament in the month of April. It's supposed to be the best time of the year for visitors to come. And the motto of this tournament is to have the win for cause, as I said, but at the same time, we want to promote the local tourism and Meghalaya as itself. Because we are having players coming from Southeast Asia. So we are having players from Bangladesh, Nepal, and entire across India. And many of them first time coming to Shillong or Meghalaya to visit. So we want to portray or to promote Meghalaya to our Rotarian golfers. Through them, the larger crowd will come to know. I'm thankful that Rotary Club of Orchid City Shillong, who is the local Rotary Club, they are the local host for logistic purpose of this tournament. Otherwise it's managed by the South Asian Fellowship of Rotarian Golfing Rotarians, Safgr in short we call it. And Safgr is an organization of Rotarians who has a passion of playing golf. And we have members across South Asia.